Welcome to Fusion CAM Lesson Activity 3. In this lesson, we will make a simple sketch so it will be easy for us to select a setup position for our toolpaths. We arrive in Fusion at the exact point we left in the previous video, with our list of bodies expanded and with all of them turned off except one. Let's compress the bodies list and expand the sketch list. Let's position our car so our sketching will be easy and apparent. Select the house and then select front and select this back arrow. Now we're at the back of the car and we can zoom up on it a little bit. And we will construct a simple T through the center of the CO2 hole. Select sketch, create line, and then select the back of the car. See how it highlights here? Once it highlights, click on it. That'll be our sketch plane. And we're going to sketch from the origin here up to the center of the CO2 hole, which is 29 millimeters. You can just input that or cruise right up to it. And then we'll hit enter. Next, I want to create a line from the center of the CO2 hole to the left. I'll select sketch again, line, click on the center of the hole, and pull it out to, we'll just type this in, 32.5, which is half the thickness of our stock or our block. Hit enter, do it the same for the other side. And make sure that you're keeping completely tangent. Select sketch, line, from the center, and then we'll go off to the right this time. I'll type in 32.5 and make sure it's at 0 degrees and enter. Now the T shape is constructed, we can easily select the edge of the stock or the center of the CO2 hole. Select stop sketch. Let's go back to the isometric view, and that T shape should be visible. We can zoom in and look at that if we want to. That looks good. This completes Activity 3.